How to fix your microphone is picking up all PC sounds. So if you can hear sounds from your desktop and outside audio on your microphone, I'll show you a couple of ways on how to fix this. So first, open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Sound Settings and click on this window. Now next to Output, make sure you have the correct speakers selected. This is essentially where you want the sound to be playing out from. Now scroll down to Input and make sure you have the correct microphone selected. Now scroll all the way down to More Sound Settings. Click on the Recording tab and then scroll down and make sure you have the correct microphone set to the default device. So if you haven't already done this, click on your microphone and just press Set Default. You can then right click on your microphone and press Properties. Now click on the Listen tab and make sure Listen to this device is turned off. You can then press Advanced. Where it says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, turn this off, and also make sure audio enhancements is turned off as well. Once you've done this, press apply and OK. And the next time you use your microphone, it should now block out your PC sounds.